Jamaica need help, man. We mash up. Mash up. First, we never history this in our life. First, we see this in life, man.
I'm just saying, if we had stayed, we'd have died.
Yeah, rotten. You understand? Yeah, rotten. This category 5 is a terrible impact for Jamaica because it's a lot of farmer lose a lot. You understand? And you know, St. Elizabeth is the food basket for everyone. You understand?
We have more than 15,000 dead birds, but we still have a lot of live birds. But there's no facility for them, so they will eventually die from thirst and hunger. There's nothing we can do about it because it's totally destroyed.